video with an app that could have music on it, but I thought, nah, let's do it the old-fashioned way. I have hiccups, as if you can't hear. Can't really hear them, but so I'm gonna try this method where you have some water. It doesn't matter whatever brand, but I have got even I don't know. And what I was thinking about doing is you hold your right earlobe down and you drink water. Look at me. Hasn't worked for me. Let's keep no cure for hiccups have worked for me, but it's helped a bit. It stopped the aggressive hiccups. When I get hiccups, but yeah, and here's my technique quickly. Find something to fiddle around with. What can I fiddle? I am going to pick this. People say you might pick this, but that doesn't work. So I'm just going to start fiddling around with it. I've still got my hiccups like behind my ears. See, it comes with burps as well. I don't know why. That's my aggressive hiccups. So I'm just going to keep. I found it easy. Keep your eye on this. Keep looking at the thing that you're fiddling with. And take one sip until you get to 5, so I'll go. Wait a few seconds. Left gone. You should have one hiccup in the middle. Now hiccups have gone. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed my video. And this actually worked for me. Still like they'll go away. Like hope they did. And that's how I get rid of my hiccups.